Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello students, in this question it is mentioned that we have a cell with 5 pairs of chromosome. So if this cell undergoes mitosis, then we would have these chromosome. It will undergo mitosis. Then the first phase is the prophase, wherein the nuclear envelope starts to disappear and the chromosome they condense. Then we have metaphase, wherein the chromosome, this is prophase, then metaphase, and in metaphase the chromosome they align in the equatorial plate. And we have centrioles at the opposite poles. These centrioles will be attached to the chromosomes. Then what happens next is that in the anaphase, the chromosomes have been separated. Due to the contraction of the spindle fibers, and now they are in the opposite poles. Then next we have telophase. In the telophase there is formation of the nuclear membrane around the separated chromosomes. And now the sister chromatids have decondensed to form chromatin fibers. Then finally there will be cytokinesis, where we will get 2 cells each with 5 pairs of chromosome. Now when we talk about reproduction, it all starts first with meiosis in the gonads to form gametes, and gametes have half the number of chromosomes. That means they are haploid. Furthermore, during meiosis what happens is that there is chiasmata formation, which leads to the overlapping and exchange of the homologous chromosome. A segment of the homologous chromosome are exchanged between the pairs. This gives rise to variation. Say for example, this is one homologous chromosome and this is the other pair. Now if there is a chiasmata formation, what happens? There is an overlapping. And this overlapping will lead to the exchange of genetic material. So you see, the genetic material has been exchanged, and it is this that gives rise to variation. Now coming to the next question, most of the cells in the onion root tip spends in interphase because it is during this phase of the cell cycle that the cell prepares for mitosis. What happens here is that the cell grows, there is replication of DNA, there is also a preparation phase known as the G2 phase for mitosis. That is why the cell spends most of its time in the interphase. Hope you found the video useful. Thank you.